In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create multi-step forms in Hubspot, a task you can complete in just 5 minutes. Whether you're a marketer looking to collect detailed customer information or a small business owner trying to streamline your data collection, multi-step forms can be a game changer. They break down complex forms into manageable chunks, making them more user-friendly and less intimidating for your users. Let's dive in and take this one step at a time. First things first, head over to the Hubspot website. Once you're there, look to the upper right-hand corner where you'll find the Login button. Click that. You'll then have the option to sign in with Google. It's a straightforward process. Simply select your account from the list that appears. This seamless sign-in experience will get you logged in and ready to go in no time. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the Marketing section. This is where all the magic happens when it comes to creating forms. From the marketing menu, navigate over to Forms. In this area, you'll see all the forms you've created before. But today, we're going to make something new. So go ahead and click on Create Form. You'll then enter the HubSpot Form Editor. This is your workspace, and it's pretty user-friendly. On the upper right side, there's a button labeled Next. Click it to proceed. Your next task is selecting a template. HubSpot offers a variety of templates designed to suit different needs, so pick one that aligns with your goals. Selecting a template can be really handy as it provides a structure that you can easily tailor to your preferences. Templates are just the starting point. Once you've chosen yours, you'll want to add a step to your form. To do this, simply locate the plus icon in the form editor. Clicking this icon allows you to add additional steps, breaking up your form into smaller, manageable sections. This multi-step approach encourages users to provide more detailed responses, as they're not overwhelmed by a huge form all at once. As you edit, bear in mind how your form flows. A good structure keeps your users engaged and willing to complete the form. Also consider adding progress indicators between steps to show users how far they've come and how much is left. This can improve the user experience significantly. Once your steps are set up to your satisfaction, take a moment to review everything. Ensure there are no typos, that all necessary fields are included, and that each step logically follows the last. When you're happy with the result, save your form. Congratulations, you've just created a multi-step form in HubSpot. It's that simple. Now, with your multi-step form ready to go, you're all set to capture valuable data efficiently. Thanks for joining me in today's quick tutorial. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below. Until next time, happy form building.